Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In the respected chief guest, principal, teacher, friends, and all my dear friends, I am Muslim Muna in class Hakam. The year and farmer of Edward Bengal Asha. A very popular potato, Sasso Petra Hazrat. Abdullah Ibn Abu Bakr Siddiq Rahmatullah सबसे पहले मुसलमान और मुसलमान का रहमतुल्लाह अगले के रसूल सुन्नत रावी सासू मौलाना मुफ्ती अबू इब्राहिम मोहम्मद अवैधुल्लाह सिद्दीकी you are born in the year 1949 in Dhaka nursery let his grandpa device this game to be brought up with love of home he started education from Fatiha Senior Technical Madrasa and established his grandpa Muftazil Muhaddis degree got his degree in this madrasa and Muftazil Fuqaha degree got to Aligarh Muslim University. At the end, formed the management in the body established by Dada Pajan on the water from Sumitra later. He casually again himself decided browsed by the grandfather, the grandfather. He has been appointed in the order. He has been appointed evidence and documents, and from sake of the and for the sake of Islam and for the sake of Silsila.